started, which word from yesterday did you think was the most interesting to talk about? Was it sensitive, critical, or obstacle? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. I think blank was especially interesting to talk about because... Okay, so we are going to play a game called Which Word Goes With. I will show you a word and you will think about which of the vocabulary words you learned yesterday goes with the word. So the first word is hurt. Do you think that sensitive, critical, or obstacle goes with this word hurt? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. I think blank goes with hurt because... Okay, so you may have something different from my example, and that's okay, as long as you provided evidence to support your thinking, or a reason, rather, to support your thinking. But when I hear the word hurt, I automatically think about the word sensitive, because I know that sensitive can also refer to people's feelings being hurt. Let's look at the next word. The word is important. I think blank goes with important because, is it sensitive, critical, or obstacle? Okay, so you may have an example that's different than mine or a reason that's different than mine, but when I hear the word important, I think of the word critical, because critical means something that is very important or crucial to being finished or completed or thought about. The last word that we want to look at is the word careful. So when you hear the word careful, do you think of sensitive, critical, or obstacle? I think blank goes with careful because. Okay, so you could have said any three of these words. I know that I already used the word sensitive, but I also think that careful reminds me of the word sensitive. So I think careful goes with, or sensitive goes with careful, because you have to be very careful when you're thinking about someone else's feelings if they are very sensitive. So that's what reminded me of the word careful. So revisiting multiple meaning words, critical has another meaning besides extremely important or absolutely necessary. It can also mean disproving or finding something wrong. The band members' uniforms are old and shabby. It is critical that they get new ones. In this sentence, does critical mean extremely important or absolutely necessary? Or does it mean disproving or finding something wrong with? Again, the band members' uniforms are old and shabby. It is critical that they get new ones. Right. It means that it's important or absolutely necessary. Let's take a look at another example. Mr. Lee is critical of his rowdy neighbors. He says they make too much noise. In this sentence, critical means extremely important or absolutely necessary, or does it mean disproving or finding something wrong with? Again, the example is about Mr. Lee, and he is very critical of his rowdy neighbors. You can see here in the picture, I guess this is Mr. Lee, and these are his rowdy neighbors. Right, in this sentence, critical means disproving or finding something wrong with. All right, that wraps up day 4. We'll see you back tomorrow for a review.